Yeah.
Right on, man.
You ever seen the commercial?
I love it.
I was gonna say, you're gonna see the commercial.
Yeah.
Because
Your whole presentation.
That's fantastic.
we played that commercial during the Super Bowl, and then after the commercial, they panned to the whole crowd, and the whole crowd was singing it.
I love
And they
it.
were like, "A moment of unity brought to you by Rocket Mortgage," which was
Oh,
completely on purpose.
fantastic.
All right, go ahead and go to the next one. Hey. So what we'll talk about in about 2 minutes is who is Rocket Mortgage, common mortgage myths, mortgage services, mortgage products, and some Q&A. You also can learn a little bit about me. Awesome. So who is Rocket Mortgage? We will see if this commercial does actually look. Go ahead, go next one.
Play now.
All right, click it, see what happens. I'll hold my breath because my internet sucks on me. We shut soul. There we go. Let's get you home.
That's 20 US.
I've already got Christmas.
West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain,
Yeah, another guy.
older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place where I take me home, country roads.
Oh, there you go. Now you can get to the next one. Go Eagles. All right, go ahead and go on this.
And then you ruined it.
That was fantastic. I got chills.
All right, guys, so.
Love that song.
Yes, love the song, love what we do. I mean, Kim and I get the opportunity every day to help people obtain the American dream, and it's no small thing. We recognize it. I love what I do. I get to be a part of someone's chapter every single day. So, one thing we don't take for granted also at Rocket is we're #1 for mortgage origination, customer satisfaction. We'll do anything and everything to make sure the customer's taken care of. Period. End of story. I've seen some crazy mountains get moved at Rocket. You go to the next one. So, common mortgage myth. Buying a home is easier than you think. Go ahead and go to the next one. How much do you need to put down to own a home? Anybody?
0 for me.
That is correct also.
3.0%, 3, 5, or
Go to the
20.
next one. So yeah, VA, 0. Conventional, you can do 1% down. Everybody's got $1,000, $3,000 in the bank. You know, that's, sorry. FHA, 3.5% down as well. Go ahead and go to the next one. What is the minimum credit score requirement for purchasing a home? Anybody?
650.
Oh,
520.
close. Go ahead and go next one.
420.
It's 580 for VA and FHA. I have a 588 client right now, and it is 620 for conventional. So credit tips. I think that's the next one. Go ahead. All right, guys. So please, for this one, cheat code. Everybody, it's people who have kids in here. Okay. If you want them to have really good credit, you have a credit card you've had for at least 7 to 10 years that has a low balance compared to what you can spend. Put them on there as an authorized user. As soon as they're able to buy a house in the future, they will have a 740 plus credit score. That is a fact. Do it. I've had clients go and have their parents or get put on their parents' credit cards, and their credit went from a 620 up to a 760 in like a month and a half. So that is one of my favorite credit tips. By the way, it has to be family members. If you get like on a friend's credit card, that's kind of taboo. Make your payments on time, period, end of story. I've also seen someone's credit score drop for not making a payment on time, like significantly. Always try to spend about 10% of what you can spend on a credit card. So if it's $1,000, keep it on $100. Should be good to go there. Get up to 30%, you're okay, but that's where you want to stay. And then credit history, that's something that you kind of just can't get overnight, right? You usually want to see about a 7-year credit history to have a really, really good credit score. All right, go to the next one. All right, what is the difference between being pre-qualified and pre-approved? And this is okay, this is where my wheel shop. Go to the
You
next
want
one.
us to answer?
Yeah, I got the next. Well,
Oh.
can. Go ahead. What do you think?
Down.
Pre-qualified means you've done a loan application. You put a bunch of information in there, and I say, awesome, you're pre-qualified. And then we get your docs and you're self-employed, and we got a whole other conversation. That's what pre-approved means, and you want to be pre-approved before you buy a house. Because if you're not, then you go through underwriting, you're under contract, you think you're gonna get the house, and then you don't. And that's what you don't want. We want to get pre-approved up front, that way we don't have any nightmare situations. Go to the next one. Can you pay your mortgage off early, or do you need to sell your home? Or what is it?
Yes.
Oh, or what? Go ahead, go to the next one. Yes, you can pay your mortgage off at any time. I love when someone says, "Oh, pay the sucker off, lickety split." Like, awesome, that's good, more power to you. If you sell, you recoup any equity currently in your home. Let's say it's worth $300, you owe $250, you get $50K. That's your equity in your house. So. Kim can also give you a little bit of insight. Go ahead, go to the next one. True or false? Frank, I have my down payment. That's all I need, right? To buy a house?
No.
Down payment? Go ahead, go to the next one. Unless you negotiate the contract, Kim, you are responsible for any closing costs associated with loan. These are generally 2 to 3% on top of your down payment. So if the minimum down is 3%, you really need about 6% to buy the next house. Go ahead, go to the next one. True or false? Applying for a mortgage will hurt your credit.
False.
It can, depends on hard versus.
Go ahead and go to the next one. It's actually false. At Rocket, we do a soft credit. That way it doesn't hurt your credit. So if someone says, I don't know if I'm going to qualify for a house, I don't want to have any inquiries, it's like, dude, it's free. Let me pull your credit on a soft pull. Let's see if you qualify. Oh, look, you do qualify. And you go from there. So go ahead and go to the next one. What do I offer? We'll roll through this. Mortgage services. Click the next one. Verified approval, that's what I was talking about. Not only do I get the documents up front, we're going to submit it into underwriting. That way an underwriter reviews it. As much as I like to think I'm an underwriter, I'm not. That way whenever you're making that offer on the house, you know an underwriter's already seen it. All we're going to need is homeowner's insurance and an appraisal most times. Go ahead and go to the next one. Rent rewards, guys. So right now, I'm either giving 1% to lower the interest rate 1 full percent for the first year right now for anybody. Or I'm doing rent rewards, which will give you up to $5,000 towards closing costs. So if you want closing cost assistance, if you want a lower monthly mortgage payment, we got it. Go to the next one. Like I said, we do soft credit pulls. It just makes it a lot easier without having to have that inquiry. Go to the next one. Credit upgrade, guys. This is one of my favorite things that we have, especially for the 588. The 588, I pull a credit score. I'm like, hey, it's 588. We'll still get you approved, but it's not going to be the best interest rate. We send it to credit upgrade. It's a whole team for free that gets their credit score up for free. It's amazing. I've had people that are 680 or 700, and I'm like, let's get you to 720 or 740 or 800. Let's see what it takes. It's free. So I can send anybody and everybody there. It's just a great tool for me because I don't have to do anything. I click a button. Boom, credit upgrade takes care of it and get some better credit score most of the time, right? Products, I'm gonna fly through this one so you just go basically side by side, go ahead. Temporary buy down, guys, we're getting sellers to take care of interest rate. 3, 2, 1, temporary buy down, what does that mean? That means that the interest rate is gonna be 3 full percent lower the first year, 2% lower next year, 1% the year after that. Sellers have to pay for that, and you can ask for it up front in your offer. Go ahead and go to the next one. I do financing on manufactured homes. I do manufactured homes for VA, FHA, and conventional. I can even do single wide homes on manufactured homes.
Love it.
It has to be real property. That is very important. Go to the next one. Condos. Guys, so not only do I offer condos for warrantable, I offer non-warrantable. What does that mean, Frank? What the heck is warrantable, non-warrantable? That means, warrantable means that there's a lot of primary owners, primary residence owners in the complex. Non-warrantable means it's a lot of investors. And there's a lot of lenders that won't touch non-warrantable. I love me some non-warrantable. Send it my way. Go ahead. Do FHA loans, guys. If you have low credit, low down payment, this is by far a great option for you. It's put people in the houses that get turned down. I actually have one that was turned down by Chase, sent my way because they didn't want to do the FHA loan versus credit score. Go ahead and go to the next one. VA loans, like I mentioned, guys, 0 down, no monthly mortgage insurance. If you're a 100% disabled veteran, you do not even pay property taxes. They should get way more. That's the least that we can do. Next one. Guys, jumbo loans. We can do jumbo loans at 10% down. We can do jumbo loans on 40-year option. I even have a 7.6 ARM. Right now, jumbo rates are extremely low. The payments aren't, but the rates are low. That is anything over an 806 loan amount, 806,000. Let's go to the next one. Do cash out refinances if you own a property, or if you're looking to buy an investment property, looking to do home renovations, consolidate or pay off high interest debts. This only makes sense if I send it to Reggie and Reggie can't do it, or they have a really high first interest rate. So go ahead and go to the next one. It's on the dream, guys. This is just some pictures from me. I always say the proof's in the pudding. I've helped 700 plus families over the last decade with home financing.
Nice.
There are a lot of people that do what I do and what Kim does that really have no business doing it. You know what I say every single week. I'm looking at that mortgage as if I'm taking it on myself, and I really do mean that. Yeah, that's it. Proof in the pudding. I always love going to a closing. That's part of it. Go to the next one. Referrals, guys. If you know any other amazing agents like Kim, I'd love an introduction. Also, anybody thinking about, smelling about buying a house, send them my direction so we can game plan. Yeah, and I'm glad that I could pivot and y'all can see the commercial.
Yay.